The Australian government offers significant incentives for going green, whether through solar panels, energy-efficient upgrades, or electric vehicles. One of the standout programs is the Small-Scale Renewable Energy Scheme, SRES, which provides small-scale technology certificates, STCs. This allows you to receive substantial discounts on the installation costs of solar panels and battery storage, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. If you're located in Canberra, ACT, Victoria, South Australia, or New South Wales, your state government may also provide additional rebates and interest-free loans for solar and battery installations. For those considering electric vehicles, EVs, the government offers rebates of up to $3,000 on eligible purchases. You can also benefit from reduced stamp duty, lower registration fees, and incentives for home EV chargers. With rising fuel prices, making the switch to an EV could save you thousands annually, and as more charging stations become available across the country, concerns about range anxiety are diminishing. Applying for these incentives is a simple process. You can visit the Aussie Solar Tech website to check your eligibility and apply online. Many programs work with accredited installers who can assist with the paperwork, making the process as stress-free as possible. The government is making it easier than ever to go green and save money, so take advantage of these incentives before they disappear.